Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the little Bluetooth device for the Android phone that comes with the UBeeSize tripod phone holder with a light ring. Now this video is not an instruction on how to connect your Bluetooth to the device. You can find that somewhere else. But I just want to tell you today how you can get it to work with your, your Android phone as a camera shutter. After doing a lot of searching on YouTube and on the internet trying to find instructions on how to get this device to work with my Android phone as a camera shutter trigger, I was really frustrated because everything I found was for iPhone. When your Android phone recognizes the Bluetooth device, at least for me, it was showing up as an input device and was seeing it as a keyboard. So I figured out my own solution. It's actually quite simple. First, to use it as a camera shutter for still photos, don't use your camera app that comes with your phone. Download Camera 360. I went into the Google Play Store, downloaded Camera 360, and boom, right off the bat, it worked right away as a camera shutter. It took still pictures just fine. Okay, now to use it to record video, that's actually quite easy too. All you have to do is use the camera app that comes with your Android phone. So go into the settings for your camera app and go down to volume key function and change that setting to record video. Okay, with my camera app in my Android phone, I had the volume key function set up to zoom in and out of pictures and video. So once you change the volume key function to record video, every time you hit that Android button in your camera app, and make sure it's turned on. There is a little button on the side there that you flip up to turn it on. But anyway, you hit that bottom button and it will automatically start recording video. So guys, that's about it. This little Bluetooth device for your UBeeSize tripod phone holder with a light ring, or any of the probably UBeeSize Bluetooth. If you can't get it to function with an Android, download Camera 360 to do still shots, and your camera app that comes with the phone. Go down to volume key function and change that to record video. And then every time you push that button down there, it starts and stops recording video. I hope that helps. I know I was really frustrated trying to get it to work. Now Bluetooth connected instantly, that was no problem at all. But trying to get it to function as a camera shutter was a different story. So I hope that helps. I hope you all have a great day. Good luck.